Meanwhile, the Jamaica Labour Party has put its supporters in election mode, this following yesterday's annual conference. We have the details in this report.
It is a time of reflection and introspection for the Jamaica Labour Party, but we see it as an opportunity to rebuild. And starting tomorrow, we will be rebuilding.
In December 2011, the JLP created a dubious piece of history when it became the first of the two major political parties not to win two consecutive elections. Fast forward to the present, if the party's just concluded conference is anything to go by, the JLP's campaign will be centered on the theme, "One good term deserves another." Of note, the term featured in the presentation of most speakers at the conference. Former JLP leader and Prime Minister Bruce Golding giving it credence, pointing to the legacy projects as among the current administration's successes.
Andrew Michael Holness is set to lead this party into the second term of government whenever the next elections are called.
As the country enters election mode, JLP Chairman Robert Montague cautioned that there will be no rush for the Prime Minister to call it unless the party's election machinery is fully prepared. Here's what the party is working towards.
On the last count, we took 11 seats from the PNP. The next election, we're looking for 11 more. We want 45 to come.
So as speculation mounts over when Jamaicans will be called to go to the polls, the next general election isn't due until February 25, 2021.
When everything is in place, you will see me reach for this bed.